We're going to show you how to remove the dashboard components from Mercedes-Benz Actros. Remove the two upper screws from the instrument cluster cover. Undo the lower latch on the cover using a small flat-tip screwdriver. Use the screwdriver to press the locking hooks towards the steering column, then remove the instrument cluster screws. Carefully detach the instrument cluster, open the cable tie, and pull out the two plugs from the instrument cluster by first releasing the locking mechanism. Lift up on the differential lock switch, turn it to the left to open the latch, and pull out the plugs on the back. Remove the switch modules by pulling out the side tabs, which opens the latching mechanism. Detach the switch module from the cover and pull all the plugs from the master module. Remove all the switches from the instrument panel in the same fashion. Remove the three upper and lower screws from the instrument panel cover. Remove the slave module located below the light switch. To further disassemble, first detach the lower paneling on the driver's side. Note, not necessary to remove the instrument panel cover. Take off the ring around the parking brake and pull out the beverage holder. Remove the inner shell of the ashtray and reach under with your hand to release the tabs of the ashtray latching mechanism. Take the ashtray out of the panel and pull out the wired connectors. Remove all detachable parts from the panel and lift the panel off of the dash support. Pull the instrument cover panel out of the dash, but only far enough to remove the screws for the heater operating unit. Note, if the cover is lifted too far, the Bowden cable holders on the heater operating unit could break. Push out the heater operating unit to the rear and disconnect the light switch from its wiring. Remove the switch modules in the dash support the same way as the other modules. Lift out and remove the remaining trim panels through the new openings. Remove the panel at the upper right by taking out the three screws on the underside of the panel and lifting it up from the dashboard. This completes the removal of the dashboard components.